Today I'm going to make some cheap decorative lanterns. I've collected a few cans for the past weeks and I'm gonna turn them into something nice. I'm gonna start by getting rid of the paper on them. Then we're gonna drill some holes. We're gonna clean them and after they'll be ready for painting. So let's start by ripping off this paper. That's fairly easy to do once they are dry. Make sure to wash them after the food was emptied to be nice and clean. We're gonna drill a few holes because we're gonna use them just for outside, so they need to drain. Just like that. After the holes are done, I have to clean them. I want to clean them from any dirt or residue or excess paper that's left. So I'm using some paint thinner. That's gonna make them nice and ready for painting. So now that they are ready and they are nice and clean, we just have to hang them up and start painting. I'm gonna use two colors. I have a gray color and a black one. So let's hang them up and start painting. So now that I hung them up on this steel wire, all I have to do is to paint them. I'm gonna paint half of them gray and half of them black. Let's get to it. And now, after painting is done, we just have to wait for a couple of hours for them to dry. After, we're gonna try to make some decorations. Catch you back then. So here I've got some fake eyes that I bought from a toy store. I've got some glitter, some glue, and two types of rope, and of course a few colored markers. You can do the glitter stuff. You just have to glue a shape, pour some glue on your can and just pour the glitter on it, and you'll make a mess out of it, I'm sure, as I did. Or you can start with something simple, which I'm gonna show you now. First we're gonna take this box, we're gonna put some paper tape on it, we're gonna draw some shapes, and then we're gonna use those to color our cans. So let's do that now. After applying a few rounds of tape on your box, try to imagine some shapes that you would like to then transfer on your cans and just draw them on. So let's go for an awl, let's say, a small awl. anything you wish. And now let's go, let's say, for buffalo. Let's make it over here. When you got your shapes, you just have to cut them out from the tape. And I'm gonna use my cutter for that. And now we got our owl. I'm just gonna use these two to apply them, to glue them, stick them on my cans, and just to be able to circle them around with a marker or anything you got at home. You can also do the other way and just use these to stick them on the can, and if you want to use a spray can and just spray it over, depends which one do you like. I'm just gonna use these to mark my lines on my can. So this is how you make decorative planters. Thanks for watching.